So there's a good reason that people are flocking to Lafayette, Indiana, and that is for one reason alone. That's real-world, in-person PDR training. We have proven, combined with the video content available at realworldpdr.com, that we have built the most successful PDR training program on the market. When used in conjunction, in-person training and the content at realworldpdr.com gets you into this industry actually making money much, much faster than was ever possible before. The difference is, combined with my video content, all of the knowledge gaps that normally would have been left in traditional style in-person training are filled. I've spent hundreds of hours creating this content and I'm very proud of it. All training inquiries can be sent to jim@jmdentrepair.com. I look forward to hearing from you. I am a busy man, but I promise I will get back to you as soon as possible. Hey, what's going on? This is Jim with Real World PDR. So last giveaway was so successful, we're gonna do another one. Last time we gave away some metal meta gear. This time we're gonna give away some Dent Reaper stuff. Dent Reaper comes from Mr. John Vadine, one of the coolest, most generous guys in the PDR industry. So what John has for us this time are some of his Reaper tiers, which are gonna look something like this. This cool balloon whale tail design has a balloon tip and a sharp tip for pushing. Some of the Reaper claws, also Dent Reaper door tools, one of the first 3 sharp door tools released by Dent Reaper, and Dent Angel door tools. Same geometry as the Dent Reaper, but this one comes with a softer, nicer blade style tip. So the first person who signs up at realworldpdr.com and logs on to PDR Monthly is gonna get an entire set of the Reaper tiers by Dent Reaper. If you sign up, number 2, you're gonna get this Dent Angel door tool. Number 3, you're getting a Dent Reaper. This one is the baby blue, happens to be my favorite Dent Reaper tool. Sign up number 3 is getting this ratcheting handle Reaper tier tool. And then I have got 7 more of these short Reaper tiers and Reaper claws to give away to everybody else who signs up. So that's 10 different chances to win. The way we're doing this is the very first one of you who signs up is getting that first prize, second, third, and then the next 7 of you are getting one of these. So if you want that entire set, you better sign up now. Oh wait, but that's not all. One of you lucky 10, I'm also gonna throw in this. This was an Anson giveaway from the Real World PDR workshop. It's full of all kinds of good stuff, like bunches of glue, a koozie for your Coke, or beer, or like whatever. Some compression tabs, which happen to be my favorite tabs on the market right now, a window wedge, tequila tools knockdown, and the new tips from Anson. All contained in this sexy Anson backpack. So again, what do you gotta do to win? It's really simple. All you gotta do is go to realworldpdr.com, sign up for PDR Monthly, and then in the order that you sign up, you will be getting your prizes. We've got 10 different prizes to give away, 11 if you count the extra. So chances are good, if you're watching this video, sign up, you're gonna get a tool. If you've been waiting for your opportunity to join realworldpdr.com, learn the art of PDR, well, now's your chance, and it comes with a tool. So go to www.realworldpdr.com, sign up for PDR Monthly, and in the order that you sign up, hey, you're gonna get one of those tools or tool sets.